Hi guys, ellarigu namaskara. Welcome to yet another episode of Follow Me Around Bangalore. This time we visited the very popular Nandi Hills in Chikballapura Taluk. Located at a distance of just 65 kilometers from Namma Bengaluru, Nandi Hills is known for its scenic beauty and natural charm. In order to prevent the spread of COVID-19, Nandi Hills was completely shut for tourists on March 23rd. But recently, when Unlock 4.0 brought in relaxation to the lockdown norms across the country, Chikballapura district in Karnataka was all set to attract tourists to its famous hill. The best months to visit this scenic beauty would be between October to February. Nandi Hills is a destination for hiking and trekking for beginners to intermediate level. Trails in the area include the staircase-based trekking path which starts near Sultanpet village. You can find the exact location to start your trek in the description box below. Look who decided to accompany us today. The total number of steps to reach to the top from the base would be around 1175 steps. The duration of the trek is approximately 1 to 2 hours each way, depending upon how many breaks you take for rest and photography. And make sure to carry a good amount of water to stay hydrated on the way, along with other supplies such as packaged foods, because there are no food stalls on the way up to these hills. And while you carry your own supplies, kindly be responsible and make sure to keep your surroundings clean while you're trekking.
She's back again with us.
So I was very curious to know the history of this place, and turns out there are many variations. During the Chola dynasty, Nandi Hills was called Anandagiri, meaning the hill of happiness. Another story is that Yoga Nandishwara performed penance here, and so it was named after him. Nandi is also commonly called Nandi Durga because of the fort built here by the ruler Tipu Sultan. Nandi Hills was also a popular holiday retreat for the British office before independence. Well, whatever may be the history, but today this hill attracts thousands of people for its breathtaking scenery, rare flora, cool fresh air, and peaceful surroundings. I'm not even kidding. These two followed us religiously no matter where we went. And whenever we took breaks for rest or to click some pictures, these two stayed patiently with us.
These both are still accompanying us. We named her Nandi, right? Yeah. And that's Nandu.
Once you reach on top, there are multiple viewpoints from where you can enjoy the breathtaking views this place has to offer. One good news is that plastic is completely banned on the hill, so I suggest you carry your own water bottles as you can refill them with drinking water on top. If you're looking for a spiritual experience, you should visit the Nandishwara Temple on top. If you're willing to stay there for a night, you might want to check out the Mayura Pine Top Hotel. And there's also Mayura Pine Top Restaurant if you want to grab some quick breakfast or lunch. If you love photography, trekking, relaxing in the middle of the forest and appreciate the beauty of nature, then Nandi Hills is an ideal getaway for you. You can find plenty of monkeys on this hill, and don't be fooled, they are extremely smart. They are very capable of snatching away your gadgets, expecting that you'll exchange it with some food. So make sure to be very, very careful. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel for more such travel videos. You can also follow me on Instagram for some instant travel updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.